Greetings from our channel once more. Today, we're delving into the world of interior design and concentrating on wall panels, a crucial component that can completely change the space. PVC and WPC panels, two popular options, can be contrasted. Let's get going. PVC panels for your room decor. PVC or polyvinyl chloride is a flexible and inexpensive material. PVC panels allow you to express your creativity and realize your vision because they are available in a variety of colors, patterns, and designs. This panel has got you covered whether you want to make a statement or aim for a minimalist appearance. Benefits of PVC panels. PVC panels are best for spaces like bathrooms and kitchens because they are water resistant. They require only a quick wipe down to maintain their clean appearance. They are also low maintenance. Because they are lightweight, installation is simple, saving you time and money. PVC panels are a great option if you want to stay within your budget yet maintain your sense of design. WPC panels for your decoration. The beauty of wood and the toughness of plastic are combined in these panels. These panels are grown in popularity because of their contemporary appeal and natural appearance. Benefits of WPC panels. WPC panels have distinct textures and warm appearances that can improve the aesthetic of any space. They can withstand a little bit more wear than PVC panels and are more durable. It can provide a sense of refinement to your living area because of its resemblance to wood. They could cost a little more than PVC panels, but they are worth the investment because of their high quality and fashionable appearance. This concludes the video for today. Regardless of whatever option you choose, both panels have the potential to transform your space into fashionable refuge.